This for the 40-year-old dog virgins who the only closest thing that they had to a dog was their homeboy dog. Oh, I'm waiting on the litter off this. That bullshit. Man, get real. This for y'all. Well, would you look at that? I done had a kennel since I was 11. Really? Well, I know you got some type of puppy, or you got some type of something that you can put up, that you can post. The 40-year-old dog virgin club of niggas who got fucking YouTube profiles made with dog kennel names like they got something and ain't got shit. Don't post no peds with me. I don't want to talk peds with nobody. Talking peds with people is like talking religion, and they don't do shit but start an argument. I ain't in it for that. I could care less about your peds. What I care about is what I'm running over here, what I'm doing over here. And clearly, that's what you worried about. Listen, man. Boss your hater IQ level up. Because your shit is low. That shit that y'all be running, that shit that y'all be coming and talking about, man, that shit don't be nothing. And then I just want to say this too. I write in all caps so you can see what you're reading. I don't write in caps because I'm angry. I'm not angry about anything. How could I be angry because you left a comment? That's motivation. I love it. I love arguing back and forth with y'all. I do. I get a real big kick out of it. Because I know if you was in my face, you wouldn't say that shit. Period. I'm 10 toes with this shit. Always have been. I wouldn't give a fuck if I was a crackhead. I'm still going to demand my respect in my face, online, whatever it is. I play, I joke, whatever it is, I do that, yeah. But at no time am I mad. Because I have nothing to be mad about. Get him, boy. What am I mad at?